Hello, my friend. Welcome to this moment, a quiet moment, a peaceful moment, a moment for you. You are here to learn English, but in a different way. Not with pressure, not with fear, not with rules. Today, you will learn English with calmness, with breath, with emotion, and with a soft connection between your mind and the English language. So before we begin, sit down comfortably, or lie down if you want. Let your shoulders relax, let your breathing soften. You are safe here, you are welcome here, and you are exactly where you need to be. Take a slow breath in, and exhale gently. Let your body rest. Let your mind settle. Let English enter your heart in a soft, natural way. This is your English meditation experience. Let us begin. Take a deep breath. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Feel the air move slowly. Feel your chest rise. Feel your body relax. Now listen to the words I speak. Not with stress, not with tension, but with curiosity. Let each word feel like a drop of water. Soft, calm, gentle. Repeat softly in your mind. I am calm. I am here. I am learning. I am safe. Your breath and English are working together. With every breath, your mind becomes clearer. With every word, your English becomes stronger. Now I will say simple English sentences. Short, beautiful, easy to remember, full of meaning. You can repeat them softly or just listen and let them flow inside you. I learn English a little more every day. I don't need to be perfect. I enjoy understanding new words. My mind is open. I am improving slowly and naturally. English is becoming easier for me. I am confident. I believe in myself. Your brain listens, your heart listens, and both learn together. Affirmations are powerful. When you say positive sentences, your brain starts believing them. Your fear becomes smaller. Your confidence becomes stronger. Let's continue. Take a slow breath and repeat softly, I can learn anything. I trust myself. I am growing every day. Good. Very good. Now, let me take you into a story. A slow, calm, gentle story. Imagine it clearly. See the colors. Feel the emotions. Live inside the scene. The story begins in the morning. You open your eyes. The room is soft and warm. A little light comes through the window. You hear nothing but silence, a kind of peaceful silence that makes you smile. You stretch your arms, you breathe deeply, you feel rested. You sit on the edge of your bed, your feet touch the floor. The floor feels cool and real. You whisper to yourself, "Good morning. I'm thankful for today." You stand up slowly and walk to the window. You pull the curtain a little. A soft golden light enters the room. Outside, the world is waking up. The trees stand quietly. A few birds fly across the sky. Everything feels gentle. You breathe in the morning air, fresh, light, pure. This is a new beginning. You walk to the bathroom. You look at your face in the mirror. You smile. You say, "Today I will take one small step." You brush your teeth. You wash your face. The water touches your skin, cool, clean, refreshing. You feel awake now, ready for the day. You go to the kitchen. You make tea or coffee, whatever you love. The warm smell fills the air. You hold the cup in your hands. It feels comforting. You take the first sip. Warm, sweet, perfect. You sit by the window. You watch the world move. People walking, cars passing, sunlight on the buildings. And you whisper, "This day is for me. I am ready." Now imagine you leave your home. The door closes softly behind you. You step outside. The air is cool. The sky is clear. A gentle wind touches your face. You start walking down the street. Your steps are slow, steady, calm. You look around. You see a child walking with a backpack. You see an old man reading a newspaper. You see a woman smiling at her dog. Life is happening all around you, quietly, softly. With every step, you feel lighter. Your mind becomes clearer. You say quietly, "I am present. I am here." As you walk, you begin to notice small details. The color of the leaves, the sound of shoes on the sidewalk, the smell of fresh bread from a bakery nearby. Your senses wake up. Your English mind wakes up. You are experiencing the world deeply and gently. You stop at a small cafe. The door opens with a soft bell sound. Ding! Inside, it feels warm, safe, friendly. The barista looks at you and says, "Good morning. What can I get for you?" You smile and answer, "One cappuccino, please." The barista nods and prepares your drink. Steam rises from the machine. Warmth fills the shop. You take your cup, say "thank you," and sit by the window. You take a sip. Delicious. Smooth. Comforting. For a moment, everything feels perfect. Now, the day moves forward. It is afternoon. You sit at your desk. Your laptop is open. Your notebook is clean and white. You begin your work slowly, gently. without rush. You read an email. You take notes. You type a few lines. Your mind is calm and focused. Sometimes you pause, take a sip of water, stretch your arms, and return to your work with a soft smile. You whisper, "I can do this, one step at a time." Your work becomes lighter. Your thoughts become clearer. Your day feels simple and peaceful. Now, imagine the sun is going down. The sky becomes orange, pink, golden. You walk outside for a quiet evening walk. The air is cool. The wind feels soft on your face. You walk slowly. You watch the sky. You listen to the world. A bird flies past you. A child laughs in the distance. A couple walks together, holding hands. Everything feels gentle, beautiful, alive. You stop near a tree and take a deep breath. You say softly, "I did my best today. I am proud of myself. I am learning." These words fill your heart with warmth, with peace, with strength. You walk home with a calm mind, a calm heart, a calm body. You reach home. You take a warm shower. You wear soft clothes. You feel clean, warm, relaxed. You sit near your bed. A small lamp glows softly in the room. You open a notebook. You write one simple line. Quote, "Today, I learned something new." Close quote. You close the notebook. You smile. You sit on your bed. You take a deep breath. You feel grateful. Then you whisper, quote, "Thank you for this day. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for everything I am becoming." Close quote. You lie down. The blanket is warm. Your body is relaxed. Your mind is calm. English feels natural, gentle, peaceful. And before you sleep, you say quietly, quote, "Tomorrow, I will listen again. Tomorrow, I will grow again. Tomorrow, I will rise again." You close your eyes. You breathe slowly. You rest deeply. And English sleeps with you, quietly growing in your mind like a small, beautiful light. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. You learned more today than you think. Remember, English grows inside you with every sound, every breath, every story. Come back to this meditation anytime you need calm, anytime you want to feel safe, anytime you want English to feel natural again. I'm proud of you. See you in the next meditation. Good night, or good day, wherever you are.